The Last Ruble, a book by Key West's own Island Joe, is now available at Key West bookstores, stores, and online. In the book, read about Jack Rivers, an off-Wall Street investment banker, as he forms a relationship with Middle Eastern bankers who take him on a journey through time. Meet Vladimir, a Russian warrior, whose path crosses with Jack as they deal with tragedy, romance, and a king's treasure. Island Joe is known worldwide for Island Joe's coffee, brewed right here on Fleming Street in Key West. Now with this first book, you also get to know Island Joe as he weaves parts of his life, such as the Baccarat chandelier hanging in his store, in the story of The Last Ruble. Available at Key West Island Books, Walgreens on Duval Street, Books and Books in Coral Gables, Bal Harbour and Miami Beach, Nook at Barnes & Noble, Kindle at Amazon.com, and of course at Island Joe's Cafe and Coffee Roasting Company at 519 Fleming Street or at islandjoescoffee.com.